The stage is set, mehman aa rahe hain, and the clock is ticking towards the time of the grand finale to begin. The red carpet has been laid और आज सितारे आसमान से ज़मीन पर उतर आए हैं.
How do you feel about judging Miss Diva?
I'm really looking forward to the evening because I think we have 14 very beautiful contestants who are going to, make it very difficult for us.
It's a huge responsibility, but it's really exciting though.
I think, TOI always has these wonderful platforms and this is another addition to that.
It's being presented in the most fantabulous manner and I'm loving every moment of it.
We are a part of this vibrancy, this color, this fashion, this trend. And ये हमारे साथ काफी blend करता है. This is what Westin stands for.
As a judge, what is that one thing that you're looking out for in the girls tonight?
It's an X factor. मैं उसको define नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन either you have it or you don't have it.
Well, I think it's a combination of the X factor and personality.
We want to see who you are, and we want to see, your pride for your country and what you're bringing to your country and what you'd like the world to know about your country as well. Someone like her should be encompassing what our country is all about. Loads of confidence.
I'm sure these Indian beauties will win the crown, and I wish all the best.
Without further ado, let's bring in the lights and start the Miss Diva 2013 Grand Finale.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय
Good evening, मैं हूँ मंत्रा
और मैं हूँ विमान.
That's right, ladies and ladies को देखने आए gentlemen. आज की शाम कितनी खूबसूरत होने वाली है इसका आप अंदाजा भी नहीं लगा सकते.
आज इतने husbands यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं जो सोच रहे होंगे मैंने इतनी जल्दी शादी क्यों कर ली यार. Damn it.
Right. But jokes apart, held at the Westin Hotel, the grand finale of Miss Diva 2013 will see a celebration of Indian beauty personified by 14 finalists who will be fulfilling their dream. The gorgeous ladies, and especially the one who wins the title of Miss Diva 2013 will represent India at the prestigious international pageant of Miss Universe 2013 to be held in Moscow on November 9th, 2013, and you can catch it live exclusively on Zoom. तो चलिए जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं खूबसूरत परियों का. मेरे से सबर नहीं हो रहा.
अरे थोड़ा सबर कर ले.
नहीं हो रहा.
Friends, these beautiful girls are wearing gorgeous LBDs designed by Swapnil Shinde.
LBD?
Yeah.
मतलब लड़की मिनी नहीं उसके पहली LBD लो बेटा धोखा.
नहीं.
मतलब no मौका only धोखा.
Dude, like LBD
What
means
is LBD?
Little black dress.
Neha Gurleen Garwal and I'm from Chandigarh. मेरा नाम जुटालिका मल्होत्रा है. I am from the city Mumbai. My name is Mansi Moghe from the city of Oranges, Nagpur. I'm Mrita Rao from Bangalore.
मेरा नाम प्रीति चौहान है और मैं उत्तर भारत के एक छोटे से शहर मेरठ से हूँ.
मेरा नाम सीत तनेजा है. Born and brought up in पंजाब, लेकिन अब मैं मुंबई में रह रही हूँ.
मैं हाँ पंजाबी कुड़ी श्रुति तुली अमृतसर पंजाब से.
is Shona Goldar from the City of Joy, Kolkata.
My name is Sonika Chauhan and I come from the City of Culture and Heritage, Kolkata.
My name is Srishti Rana. I'm from Faridabad.
मेरा नाम सुकन्या भट्टाचार्य है और मैं 21 साल की हूँ, कोलकाता से आई हूँ।
मेरा नाम सुश्री है and I come from the state of Temples, Orissa.
मैं हूँ त्रिशला चंदोला. I'm from New Delhi.
मेरा नाम याशना खुराना है, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ।
As they say, that coal has to go through fire to become diamond. These contestants too went through several grooming sessions for which they were judged. And the time has come to announce the sub-contest winners. First up, Miss Perfect Body. To do the honors, I'd like to call upon stage Jacqueline Fernandez. Miss Perfect Body. Well, it is Preeti Chauhan.
Now it's time for Westin Miss Popular. And for that, can I call upon Anurag Bhatnagar, Area General Manager, Westin Hotels, Mumbai and Pune. And the winner is number 9, Sonika Chauhan.
Next up, Miss Runway. And to do the honors, can I call upon Malaika Arora Khan, please? And the winner is Nishchita Rao. Next up,
Miss Photogenic. Sir, आप खड़े हो गए तो आप आ ही जाइए sir. Mr. Atul Kasbekar, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner is Jajalika Malhotra.
Next up, Times Miss Sudoku. And to do the honors, I'd like to call upon stage Sahar Binyas. The winner is Seep Tanesha.
Next award is ITEX Miss Beautiful Eyes, and it is going to be crowned by Mr. D. Hari Prasad. And the winner is Yashna Khurana. Last but surely nowhere close to being the least, it's now time to announce Miss Digital. Miss Digital is the finalist who has been fast-tracked to the top 7 by sharing, liking and following her posts on her official Facebook page.
क्या बात है, मैंने बोला था ना Facebook पे time spend करना time waste नहीं होता. To the honors, let me call upon
Kunal Kapoor.
And the winner is
Sushri Shreya Mishra.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please take it.
झल्ला बल्ला मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला
मेरी मुन्नी रे मुन्नी अरे देख तू दिल का हाल दिल चिपका दे विद फेविकॉल मुझको अपना बना दे मुझे अपना बना दे
राइट नाउ यहाँ पर लड़कियाँ खड़ी हैं हमारे साथ. Hey girls, all set for the bikini round?
Yes.
I am super excited. I am just ready to hit the floor and fire. We are going to keep the excitement going. So stay with us and keep watching Zoom.
जिसका ना जिगर पे लगाए चोट जिसके जाने से बम फटे एटम बम हो जाए विस्फोट आशिकों में जिसका टाइटल टाइटैनिक ओ आशिकों में जिसका टाइटल टाइटैनिक मुआ किनारा दिखा कर डुबा दे गया झल्ला मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला हमने समझा था गोल्डन जुबली जिसे हर समझा हमने था गोल्डन जुबली जिसे वो तो मैटिनी दिखा करके चुम्मा ले गया झल्ला मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला झल्ला
मेरे को ये बता टाइम क्या हो रहा है?
एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा टाइम हो रहा है.
क्यों?
मतलब बिकिनी राउंड.
यस
यस.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the man who has done the remarkable job of grooming these girls in 2 weeks flat, Mr. Mark Robinson. Now, back to the contest, but before that, आइए उनसे बात करते हैं जो बड़े शांत से बैठे हुए हैं, बड़ी देर से कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं। हमारे जजेस टेबल पे एक ऐसे शख्स बैठे हुए हैं जो खुद जितना वर्कआउट नहीं करते उससे ज्यादा वर्कआउट उनका कैमरा कर जाता है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अतुल कास्मेकर। अतुल जी हमारा फोटो खींचेंगे।
Stand here. You put your right leg around him. You face him and do the opposite.
अरे लो, हाँ सर। ये हुआ ना पोस्ट
महाभारत।
ये थोड़ा सा पॉइंट्स दे। हाँ और कहीं हो ना हो।
ब्लू स्टील
हम देश मंडल कैलेंडर पे तो जरूर छप सकते हैं, बड़े कैलेंडर
डेबोनेर में हमारा फोटो आने वाला है।
Everybody take a picture and blackmail them immediately for the rest of their life.
Ladies and gentlemen,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being a sponsor. इतना खूबसूरत चेहरा है तुम्हारा, हर कोई दीवाना है तुम्हारा। कहने वाले कहते हैं तुम चांद का टुकड़ा हो, हम कहते हैं चांद टुकड़ा है तुम्हारा। मलाइका जी, can we have you on stage please? Ladies and gentlemen, Malaika Arora Khan, come on, give it up.
एक सुपर हिट सॉन्ग की कोई झलक यहाँ पर देखने को मिल जाए तो क्या पता है।
मैम रेडी मूवमेंट्स के लिए?
मेरी प्यारी मुन्नी, मेरी सुंदरी मुन्नी, मेरी मुन्नी रे मुन्नी, मेरी मुन्नी रे मुन्नी, अरे देख तू दिल का हाल, दिल चिपका दे विद फेविकॉल, मुझको अपना बना दे, मुझे अपना बना दे, मुन्नी रे।
एक स्टेप सिखा दीजिए बस आप तो हमें। Ladies and gentlemen, you won't see this anywhere else. We are the luckiest boys in the planet. Thank you so much, Malaika ji.
मैं जा रहा हूँ अब से।
You got spanked.
मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ?
Thank you, Malaika ji. Please, thank you so much. Last but definitely not the least, she's come all the way from Canada.
Can you come on stage and teach us some basics of walking the ramp?
Just teach us how to just go for a walk.
Sorry.
With her.
Come.
Just, ladies, can we have the music, please? Everyone. With me. Right there. Please, thank you so much, Sahar. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Many countries that have legalized gay marriages. Are you in favor of the same-sex marriage? And if so, why? And if not, why not?
As in competition, they can't be favorites, of course. There's a girl who is Nishtita. I think she's the biggest competition for me.
इस हसीन शाम को और रंगीन बनाने के लिए it's none other than the
evening gown round. Being known for elegance, femininity and sensuality, Mandira Vik brings it again in her gowns created for the finalists of Miss Diva 2013. Let's take a look at the gorgeous divas in their elegant collections. and gentlemen, let's now call upon the woman who has worked her magical touch on these scintillating gowns. Let's give it up for Mandira Wet. Let us now announce the top 7 contestants.
एक का नाम तो आप ऑलरेडी जानते हैं, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी मिस डिजिटल का खिताब जीतकर इस टॉप 7 के पायदान में अपना नाम बना लिया है. सो गिव इट अप फॉर सुश्री श्रेया मिश्रा. Contestant number 1, Gurleen Grewal. Contestant number 2, Jadalika Malhotra. Contestant number 3, Mansi Moge. Contestant number 7, Shruti Dule. Contestant number 10, Srishti Rana. The last name, top 7 में आखिरी नाम है contestant number 11, Sukanya Bhattacharya. Thank you so much, ladies.
We now move on to the awaited Q&A round.
गुरलीन, ये सामने कुछ कार्ड्स हैं. इनमें हमारे जजेस के नाम लिखे हैं. आपको एक कार्ड चुनना है और जिसका भी नाम निकलेगा वो आपसे एक सवाल पूछेंगे.
Please hand me the card.
Malaika Arora Khan.
My question to you is something very personal. If you had to choose between being a homemaker or a career woman, which one would you choose and why?
According to today's date, I would definitely choose a career woman because career at today's date is one which gives a lady her description, respect in the society. She's a very powerful girl. She can take care of her children definitely. So it would be a career woman. Thank you.
That's a great answer.
Moving on.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये लीजिए अपना जज चुनिए. लाइए हाँ.
Mr. Kunal Kapoor.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good.
I want to ask you, we are all so obsessed with the social media right now. So you think the social media has hurt society or benefited society?
Good evening, everyone. I think social media is so helpful for us. We can interact with people. We can spread our contact also. And it is a very good media to publicize anything. We can discuss the public issues through the social media. Thank you.
All right. Sina Tamanchi.
There's a trend the world over, many countries, many states in many countries, that have legalized gay marriages. What's your take on this? Are you in favor of the same-sex marriage? And if so, why? And if not, why not?
Good evening, everyone. I definitely feel that gay marriages or same-sex marriages, there's nothing wrong with it. As long as two people involved are happy and they are comfortable with each other and they're smiling forever, this kind of union doesn't make a difference. Thank you.
Wonderful answer. That's a wonderful answer.
Well done.
There we go.
All right, and Sushri has chosen Ravina ji.
Good evening, Sushri.
Good evening, ma'am.
My question to you is mercy killing, or they call it euthanasia. Are you in favor of it or not?
Good evening, judges. Good evening, everyone. Euthanasia is a very sensitive issue to talk about, and it is definitely allowed in the rarest of rare cases. But I'm a believer of life. I believe in hope. And euthanasia for me is giving up hope and giving up life. And I would never want to do that. I believe in celebrating life, which is why even if they say it is mercy killing, it is killing at the end of the day. There's no mercy in it. Thank you.
And Sukanya has chosen Jacqueline Fernandez.
Hi, Sukanya. Good evening.
Hello.
Sukanya, I'd like to ask you, considering in today's society all men and women are equal, so what would you have to say about the reservation quotas for the women in government and parliament jobs. Do you think they should be abolished or do you think they should be continued with?
Good evening, judges. I believe that in our country, India, it covers a larger section of the society. That is the rural parts of India. The graph of education has not seen that rise as in the urban areas. So the reservation and the quota system gives a privilege to the rural part women to come forward and walk shoulders and shoulders with men, and that's why I believe that reservation system should still prevail in India. Thank you.
Thank you. There you go. Well, it is Sahar Biniaz. Sahar.
श्रुति, क्या हाल है?
10 points for you, man.
As an independent, young, forward-thinking.
We have reached that section where the top 4 girls will be selected. But in the meantime, मैं अकेला यहाँ पर इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि विवान वहाँ बैकस्टेज चांस मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है. विवान, are you there?
मैं भाग के आ गया यहाँ पर. मंत्रा, पहला नाम अनाउंस कर दे भाई.
और इन 7 में से सबसे पहला नाम जो यहाँ पर स्टेज पर मुझे ज्वाइन करेगा वो है गुरलीन ग्रेवाल.
गुरलीन.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for her. दूसरे नंबर पे give it up for Chudalika Malhotra. The third participant will be joining them is, I love the look on their face, Mansi Moge.
Well done, Mansi.
There it is. Number 4 is Shruti Tuli. Four of them are here, and one more is going to join. That lucky girl, or that hard-working girl, is Srishti Rana. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for top 5 finalists.
5 लड़कियों ने अपनी काबिलियत अलग अलग फील्ड में साबित कर ली है, पर अगर इन सब को एक ही सवाल पूछा जाए तो कौन देगा सबसे बेहतर जवाब?
Absolutely, you guessed it right. It's time for the common question round. Each of the lucky finalists will be asked the same question. And to keep the proceedings fair, as one girl is answering, the other 4 will be made to listen to loud music bajega. As you can see, those headphones are right over there.
Should we start with Gurleen?
Gurleen, आपका सवाल है. There have been 2 highly publicized rapes recently, where the rapists were juvenile, under 18, नाबालिग कहकर इनको कम सजा हुई या कईयों को केवल rehabilitation centers पे भेज दिया गया. Do you think that in such cases a juvenile should receive the same punishment as the adult?
I really believe that juvenile laws which are made are very beneficial. But according to the intensity of the crime, yes, the child who's below 18 years of age should be punished according to the crime. So I believe that there's no harm in amending the juvenile laws because the people will become more aware and they will be scared of committing big crimes like rape.
All right, thank you so much, Gurleen.
I believe the juvenile who's sophisticated and well matured and know the circumstances and know the consequences of his actions, he should be liable for the death penalty. He should be liable for the capital punishment. आज जहाँ रेप हर मिनट हर पल इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, it's just because of the government. Government is not doing anything. Government is doing, but जब तक वो टर्न आता है, जब तक उनका केस सुनता है, तब तक शायद पीड़िता को मरे हुए भी बहुत साल हो चुके होते हैं. So I believe juvenile are as responsible as the adults and they should be considered for death penalty. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Contestant number 10, Srishti Rana.
Good evening, everyone. I feel that a crime as heinous as a rape deserves a strict punishment, whether the person is a juvenile, is underage, or he's not. He has done a mistake and he should be realized that he has done something really wrong. So I feel that even the juvenile, they should be given strict punishment so that they commit the crime and they do not get away with it. And it will also be a lesson for other youngsters. Thank you.
Thank you. Srishti?
मुझे लगता है कि जुवेनाइल रूल जो है उसमें मॉडिफिकेशन की बहुत ज़रूरत है बिकॉज इफ दैट पर्सन इज रेपिंग समवन अगर वो इतनी कम उम्र में उसे रेप के बारे में नॉलेज है और वो ये सब बुरी क्राइम कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली उसको पनिशमेंट भी उतना ही सीवियर मिलना चाहिए एंड इट शुड डिपेंड अपॉन द सीवियरिटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन एंड नॉट द एज थैंक यू
Well said. Thank you.
Good evening, judges. For me, in my opinion, a rape case is equivalent to a murder. And so I feel that our country should reduce the juvenile law to 16 years instead of 18. And the past two rape cases, both the criminals in those two cases should have been penalized as anyone above 18 years of age would. So according to me, the juvenile court system must be changed in our country. Thank you so much.
Very well said, Shri. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, girls.
हुआ छोकरा जवारे 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 हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा जवारे.
And the winner of Miss Diva 2013 is contestant number.
हुआ छोकरा जवारे 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 हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा जवारे.
We've reached the final presenter, all right.
Yeah.
Let's move on. लेकिन अब यहाँ मंच पर जो होने वाला है वो आपको गौर से देखना चाहिए. Give it up for Gohar Khan.
अरे चूजा चूचू करता है गलियों और चौबारों में फेंका भागी करता फिरे तू तो अपने यारों में.
फेंका भागी कुछ नहीं बात जो बयां की हार है जवागी मर्दान की मस्तान की. अब तू भी मान ले नैनों के जाम दे ओ आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा. हुआ छोकरा जवारे 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 हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा जवारे. ओ चांद बेबी जो चांद से देगी क्या से क्या है मैं भूख भी मिटा दूं. ओ हमने सीखे और सिखाए नैन क्या है पूरे तन को मैं भिगा दूं. आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे. हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा जवारे हुआ छोकरा
Let's give a big applause as we witness the 14 finalists of Miss Diva 2013 together on stage for the last time. We'll start with the second runner-up.
Yes, and I'd like to call upon stage Ravina ji, Ravina Tandon. The second runner-up of Miss Diva 2013 is Srishti Rana!
Well done! please call upon stage Zeenat Aman and Sahar Binyaz, Miss, to announce Miss Diva and the first runner-up.
All right. We have 4 girls.
4 girls.
2 names.
But it's like Highlander, there can be only one.
Yes.
Yes.
The first runner-up of Miss Diva 2013 is participant number 1, Gurleen Grewal. One of them is going to be representing India. It's between these 3 now. And the winner of Miss Diva 2013 is contestant number 3, Mansi Morgan! Ladies and gentlemen, we give a big round of applause! Miss Diva 2013, ladies and gentlemen. Judges, thank you so much for choosing these beautiful girls.
Thank you, all our judges.
I was very happy, excited and surprised as well. And I just hope that I do well in future.
The feeling is great. It's a sense of pride. I've made my family really happy.
This feeling is just amazing. This is like my dream come true, and I'm living my dream. This is the biggest responsibility for me to get the Miss Universe crown back to India.
This couldn't be possible without these wonderful people who have helped us. We'd like to thank them. Hospitality and venue partner, Westin Mumbai, Garden City. Cosmetic partner, iTex Dazzler. Telecast partner, Zoom.
India's #1 Bollywood channel. My favorite.
Beverage partner, Signature. Gifting partner, Arya, 24 Carat. Floral partner, Florista. Radio partner, Radio Mirchi 98.3.
बस कर यार, मैं पढ़ता हूँ, रुक जा. Salon partner, Om Thai Spa and Salon. Event execution, Fountainhead Entertainment. Backstage management, Nazneen Parak and Wabis Mehta. Event scripted and directed by Aditya Bhatt and team from Business of Ideas. Ganesha act choreographed by Yogesh Patkar. Music partner, Times Music.
All right, experts and panelists, thank you so much. Diction expert, Sabira Merchant. Skincare expert, Dr. Jamuna Pai. Smile expert, Dr. Sandesh Maikar. Ramp walk trainer, Alicia Raut.
Woo!
So, moving on.
Official fitness expert, Samir Purohit. Official designer, gowns, Mandira Virk. Official designer, cocktail dresses, Swapnil Shinde. Footwear designer, Payal Kothari. Official photographer, Purva Shah. Official stylist, Aisha Merchant and Kshitij Kankaria.